Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jody. Yes, please hype up this video. I'm going to say that before I even start the video, because apparently that's the way that YouTube pushes small creators like myself. Please just hype it up. Like, you don't have to do anything, just like it and hype it up. You don't even have to comment if you don't wanna. Please just hype up the video, please. I'm begging you. But anyway, I'm going to be sharing with you my 1 month update when it comes to the Volufiline from the Ordinary. Volufiline, isoleucine 1%. Okay, so let me just tell you this. After 1 month, I'm going to try to give you the befores and the after. After 1 month, I will say that I am not seeing any dramatic changes after using this. Okay, so as I've said before in 2 of my videos, this is not the miracle product that it is advertised to be, and maybe they didn't even advertise that. It is social media that is pushing, and the TikTok that is pushing this as, oh my gosh, this is okay. Yes, I personally know that I don't really have any major problems apart from occasionally sometimes my eyes, I can tell it is deep set if I'm extremely tired. You can see the fact that my eyes are deep set. You can see the deepness or the hollowness under my eyes. Okay, but to really and truly be honest, I don't feel like whatever I am seeing on my skin is as a result of the Volufiline. I feel like if you already have a routine, a consistent skincare routine, this is going to help. Yes, it's going to help with hydration. It's going to give you a little bit of glow, and it's going to accompany your regular skincare routine to make it more effective. But when it comes, I don't know what I was or what you are expecting or what anybody is expecting this to do, but if it is plumpness on your skin, like after 4 weeks, or if you feel like the hollows of your eyes are going to be plump all of a sudden after 4 weeks, it's not necessarily going to be like that after 4 weeks because of this product. I feel like with regular skincare routine, and if you get rest, your eyes will eventually not look as dark as it used to. You know what I'm saying? And with something like this too, you can assist it with your routine, basically. But if I'm supposed to tell you that it changed my life, and oh my gosh, I saw a result, and no, sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I think I have to report to you in about 6 months. But currently speaking, it didn't do anything major to my skin. What it has done, it has assisted my skin with hydration. Okay, and I can visibly see that my skin is a little bit more plump because I have been consistent with my skincare routine, and I have been adding this as a little hydration step. Okay, and how I apply the product under my eyes, the hollows of my cheeks and so forth. Yes, it has helped with hydration, and that's exactly what my skin needs, hydration. Okay, if you have visible hollowness under your eyes and various areas of your face, and you feel like this is going to help with it, maybe it won't, because if it didn't do me anything, then maybe it won't do you anything. If you have visible like hollowness and so forth on your face and darkness on your face and so forth, maybe it won't really do anything. Because if I didn't really see anything, maybe it won't do anything. Okay, but you can try it if you want to see if you have a different experience. Yes, you can try it, but as I said before, this is not filler in a bottle. This is not filler in a bottle, I repeat. And my skin has not been dramatically, miraculously transformed from using this. it has just assisted with my regular routine. So if you want something that's going to assist with hydrating your skin, your regular routine, I feel like this is something that works. Now when it comes to like 6 months or 3 months from now, I can't really speak to that, but I will continue to use it until it's finished, and then I'll report to you what it is giving or what's going on when it comes to my skin. Also, if you have used or you're using this product and you are seeing dramatic changes, please to share with me the routine that you're using, and please to share with me how you're using it, and please to also share with me how long you've been using it. And you could also share with me your skin and the problem areas that you have and where you have applied it. But for right now, for 4 weeks, I have not seen anything dramatic. Only thing I feel like it has done, it has assisted my other skincare products to work like cohesively and effectively when it comes to hydration and maintaining the hydration and the plumpness of my skin, not by itself but by my regular routine, and also by applying it to the regular routine. So that's how I feel like it has helped my skin, and my skin is still looking good. Yes guys, so this is basically it for my Volufiline update. I can give you another 3 months update so you can find out how it's working, and then eventually I'll do a 6 months update, and then maybe I'll do a 1 year update. Yes, but this is it for your girl. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please hype the video up as I said before, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
So what you gonna do? Yeah, 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 yeah.